Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to collaborate as a team on PowerPoint efficiently. Working together on a presentation can save a lot of time, ensure everyone stays on the same page, and make your final output much more polished. Whether it's a business project, a school assignment, or a creative pitch, following the right steps will help your team work seamlessly and productively. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can share and co-edit your slides without any hassle. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and make sure you're using the latest version so you have access to all the collaboration features. Updates often include new tools designed to make teamwork smoother, so staying up to date is essential. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you want to work on. You can either select an existing file or start a brand new presentation to build together from scratch. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Share button. This is your gateway to team collaboration. Click on Share, and PowerPoint will present you with several options for sharing your presentation. This feature allows you to send your slides to colleagues, classmates, or anyone you want to collaborate with, making sure everyone sees the latest updates in real time. After clicking Share, you'll need to decide how to send your presentation. You have two main options, as a PowerPoint file or as a PDF. Choosing the right format depends on how your team plans to use the file. If teammates need to edit and add content directly, sending it as a PowerPoint file is the best choice. This allows multiple people to work on the slides simultaneously, making group projects faster and more effective. If your goal is feedback or review without editing, sending it as a PDF keeps your slides locked and ensures the formatting remains intact. Once you've made your choice, PowerPoint integrates with Outlook, letting you email the presentation directly to your team. If you haven't set up Outlook yet, now is a good time to configure it to ensure a smooth process. You can include a personal message with the email, adding instructions, notes, or guidance on what to focus on. Clear communication at this stage ensures everyone understands their responsibilities and reduces confusion. After sending the email, your teammates can access the presentation, make edits, leave comments, and contribute efficiently. Effective teamwork in PowerPoint depends on open communication, proper use of collaboration tools, and making sure all team members have access to the same file. Don't forget to check version history if needed, so you can revert any mistakes or unwanted changes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your presentation is shared, and your team can start collaborating immediately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you work together more effectively on your next PowerPoint project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tech tips.